Assalamu alaikum dear friends, welcome. Okay, before starting the lesson, please make happy faces. Very good. Now we will start our lesson, and the letter of the day is W. This is capital W and this is small w, and its phonic is W. And I have some watches. Look at this. This is a beautiful watch. Very interesting watch. Okay. Do you know what watch tells us? It tells us time. And watch begins with phonic W. Watch. Do you have a watch? And do you wear a watch? Very good. Now I have next friend. What is it? This one. And this one also. What is it? Whistle. What is this? Whistle. Whistle begins with phonic W. Whistles. Whistle. Okay. Next friend. Look at this. What is it? Yummy fruit. Tasty, juicy. And what's its name? Its name is watermelon. Watermelon begins with phonic W. Watermelon. Do you like it? Do you eat it in summer season? Okay. Look at this. This is an apple. But what are these? These are worms inside the apple. This is a rotten apple and there are worms, small insects, small animals in the apple. And look at this picture. These are also worms. These live underground. Okay. Worms begin with phonic W. Worms. Worm. Look at this. We found worms in vegetables and fruits also. Okay. Now tell me, what is it? This is a wasp. This is a wasp. Wasp begins with phonic W. Wasp. This is an insect. What is it? This one also. Whale. Whale begins with phonic W. Whale. Do you know where the whale lives? Whale lives in water. Whale. Okay. Now, what are these? These are some clothes hanging on a string. These clothes are wet. Look, there are some water drops. Why the water drops coming out of the clothes? Because they are wet. Wet. There is also a girl which was swimming in the swimming pool, and now she is coming out and she is wet. She is wet. 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 Okay. Which animal is this? This is the wolf. This is a wolf. Wolf lives in jungle, and wolf begins with phonic w. Wolf. Wolf. Okay. Now look at this, and this one also. This is a wig of boy, and this is a wig of girl. Wig begins with phonic v. Wig. Wig. Okay. Now look at this and this one. Web. Web begins with phonic v. Web. Web. And the spider makes this type of web. Okay. Look at this and this one also. These are wheels. These are wheels. Wheels begin with phonic v. Wheels. Wheels. And what is the use of wheel? These are used in car, motorcycle, cycles, trucks, tractors, all the vehicles. Okay. And these helps the car or the vehicles to run on the road. Okay. Now tell me, what is it? This is a washing machine. Washing machine. We wash our clothes in the washing machine. Washing machine. Washing machine. Okay, what is this? This is a waistcoat. Waistcoat begins with phonic v. Waistcoat. Waistcoat. Okay. What is this? This is a wall. Wall begins with phonic v. Wall. Wall. This wall is under construction. Okay. Who is he? He has a tray and juice. What he is doing, or who is he? He is a waiter and he is serving juice. Okay. The person who is serving something to anybody is called waiter. Waiter begins with phonic v. Waiter. Okay. Now look at this. What is in this pot? And this pot also. Water. Water. There is also water. These are fishes, and these live in the water. Okay. Look at this picture also. There is also a lot of water in the pond or in the sea, and some fishes or fish swim in this water. Okay. Now tell me, what is it? This is a house, and these 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 windows. Windows begin with phonic v. Window. Window. Okay, tell me, this is a bedroom. And what is this? Where sunshine comes in the room? This is a window. This is a window. This is a drawing room, and a big window, a huge window is there. These windows begin with phonic V. Windows, windows. Okay, at the end of the lesson, you have to clap for yourself, and we will meet or see in the next video. Till Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe our channel. Click bell icon for notification of our upcoming videos. Please like and share videos. Put your comments in our comment section.